The Peacock and the Crow. A peacock was drinking water from the river. It saw its reflection in the water and gasped aloud. How beautiful I am! My feathers are so colorful. Just then, a crow flew down to the water. Seeing the crow, the peacock started laughing. You are so ugly. You are useless. The crow decided to teach the peacock a lesson. He replied, you may be beautiful, but you can't fly long distances. Look at me, I can even touch the clouds. Saying this, the crow flew away high in the sky. The peacock felt ashamed and never boasted about its looks again.